US across. Even as against the promise of 800,000 metric tons. No, say OTA the Greek minister Kaya more than around 400,000 metric tons. A honor see a challenge man. Pacho, a honor see a challenge man. It is a problem you know say. So much says you can free mudia. Mudi koi, mudi yedien. Sankunta no ya.
Omayele, adia bakwa yewa. Osu yakoto 400,000, yakoto 200,000. My office may be a one. There's an office there. What my office now is direct. The fellow CMC trading room. Those people, so much as they can say we reduce. They say I cut 400,000, I cut 200,000. They will rush in here and tell me, "What are you doing? Do you want to collapse the market?" It is not in our business. See the Babon thing. They are taught 30,000, they are taught 40,000, they are taught 300,000. Media. A son say, "Oh, discussing the quantities, no." I will transfer bonus at the measurement again. And it says, "So bonus a becaya a caquino." It says, "You cannot opinion, and then a beneficiary of it." So for us, it is, we are not in the business.
Production, cocoa, secret. When any pay a secret. Ministers the two Jadabia. See what the two Jadabia. Yeah, then all of a sudden a secret. I am to make a
money we ain't come out what
Ghana.
Mr.
Minta.
At the end of every year, we account for the cocoa purchases. Mid crop, we don't decide. It is not what we do. Yes, for you, it is your interest. But for us, it is not in our interest to do that. Because cocoa markets, another commodity market, hedging is one key thing. So, for example, okay, Ghana cocoa production, as at date A, what you have to X amount of cocoa. When you are turning the next year, you have to get it. So, the free break up from the end of the season, you have to see. Based on that, it has effect on price. And it is also already interest. So, by discussing that now, yeah, it is not our interest because we believe that we should transfer the hegemony. So, why must we just be part of it? I can give you a classical example. There was a recent one by Honorable Akufo-Addo. So, because we say, cocoa no car Ghana air ton, a swat say. In fact, to us, it has a way of benefiting as many retailers who Ghana 200,000 because it forces price up. Because when there's low production, it has effect on price. There be 700,000. Hey, I just tell them 700,000. And you say cocoa or so it has effect on price. And remember, I can't say that it is the business that they be also media. Now we're discussing crop. It will not discuss those issues. Yeah,
but Fiifi, my challenge kakane say sikabotine ne kwa na yedi kodi dwuma na yetima betudin. Edi empa na ha adwin say de ni ana de atoni. What's wrong with that?
Oh, amanyele. Asa we ira kudum. Ona okojum mokori yesay. Intos yesay. Na jwa to mefie meyen kwan no. Ababa. So why must midway? No our friends say, Abraham jai. Na mani say mani boy say. Adwa kuku joma obebesi. It's your bar, is the season over? The season is not over. Eventually, September, season is the baby. You don't work with her. And then, now, man, I come back and be a chibiano. Young,
Probably, a Kwabena binumu. And this morning, when this issue came up, Oko Ayum, Oko Kasapien, Oko Mema. I have those messages to that effect, and some of them recordings to that effect. Say oneka say onwa ka adwam in terms of payment. And LBCs nso no omode koko abano ebeko, but sika enwa asem no akoye den. I'm specific on these three areas because my region na omo no mafre to also tell us the challenges we go through. I'm not saying that could be the situation, but that is what I know for now. Yeah.
Feedback here. See, just have feedback now. We can go back to the LBC and find out. It's on say, so them say you might hear you. Yeah, by it. And yes, when I'm sorry, my baby cancer.
Exactly.
And your ma almost 50 can so my PSC my LBC. No, we are not on the share. And that's the last week. Every amount of money I was said in my LBC has been released. Of course, we have to release money to, but that's the last week. Money to the full has been released to LBC now some of assembly. But yeah, assembly.
Ekosuya, ya mano eho kwan se ontimi nkasa ayira. If it's also by a way, until say season be close, as in September, no, you will not be forced to toe their line. What be confirm Musampa, you are drawing down 1.5 billion, but out of the 1.5, no, you 1.45 billion, no problem. Or no soon you know, Judy says, me conform. Na me hesika mosima beji e de ye koko adwuma de koko akuafo ka say sika na still akuafo de omo san ka sika no eti the concern say where has that money got into? Where's the breakdown? LBC is no omanyo omo chefa no bezo metua na what really is happening?
Omanyo yes kwan opani o ka say dey me on to say me on e pani pa o ye brashi bigani o wutumi kura so tumi kira say ni hiya san ka tay. And we have every responsibility to answer for them. And yes, I need to krumna ya create heat. Because Siga a amount for a consortium of banks, about 20 banks or Musika. Not a brutal. Ghana for their group, madam. It calls for concern. And now you go to an airport. Say best answer for the next season. When you acquire the first question be that and I said now the affair by the Kurano or the Kogro Madama.
So all the other Kasabi say name one mamma Juman in TV movie. No, one critical example. There was a particular point where Cocoa Board was supposed to draw down, I think $100 million. Sabren na se be jeni bi kwa bonte ko ka se sika na Cocoa Board je no Cocoa Board a misuse sika no. And it took us 3 weeks more to draw down the funds because they said they wanted to do due diligence and some of them release sika no because they are too from him and they are too from him say Cocoa Board a misuse sika no. So we didn't say yes you are for issue say yes anke sika and sika na mai. So Cocoa Board was forced to the Bank of Ghana at a rate of about 14-15% interest rate. Near the Aquacomequia phone and San Year came Messicano. Abra, Sankanyas after Nami, I should be getting a cocaine. Naka said Canaba, and made the Aquamequia for Saho ha ringing Anna, and Mamma Boy could be also. But rather, this one cost us more money because you are forced to go to Bank of Ghana. Where are you? So go about Boca. I had done an Aboka. And you create in the billion census as well. Yes, it's your mind. You can amount for a name of Rashid for. It's your assembly banners and theater. Yet me, no. Papi Biasu is opening down a Bacano. Amount for not to about the amounts of numbers. So, bet me because a Cocoa Board, na ko. Na, just a conform Jessica. I didn't echo so. It's your noble Mr. My name is something for the ready echo so. These issues can be addressed. Not every issue ought to be addressed just by publicizing it to claim that yes, you are addressing the issues of the people. What matters? You hear pano. Anything on the house, you see, and you must have been honorable. Say, assembly, but be or my you a bit to me, assembly. Okay, assembly, but say, Mokratane Yafa Assembly, even with the 2020-2021, the breakdown and explanation that we still need to know as citizens. And my but I say, Rezi, another point be AFDB sika sunu bi a mokoji ho amongst nyoma amodi sika ni bi beye no where you have apportioned $7.5 million for the consumption of cocoa. And how much muka krabia na me na mo achira o beka bibia menti ase.
Oh, that banter has been discussed on radio a number of times. Ghana has been one of our complaints in a cocoa product. And as a cocoa na the Kwabena on in process video and as in chimu back when say cocoa na nkasa no what the chocolate, cold drink, the be nkuni the keka. But chocolate nkasa na kuma say you need dimpo. One of no be aqua chocolate no ready. Our per capita consumption and saying it's a cost of power a 0.6 per kilogram. It's not that cocoa bottle back could be ano. So I can say Ghana media the ODR. It would take one Ghanaian 32 years as I would make the cocoa bottle back. It's also the core. Then you bet to me na ashen cocoa cocoa na yellow. And I be up. And come fancy cocoa. A bayer the swadi kwabuchi. Name will be to me a bomb and comfort to me a DB. And no, listen to Entina. Yeah, program going forward. They say, yeah, madam, into me also. Yeah, my church say we should help children acquire the taste of cocoa consumption. It's a no necessity, no. Minima, they say, yeah, I'm going to say, a woman, young produce.
Okay, but I'm a bit confused here.
You will be confused.
No, it's not about because I'm a bit confused.
You will be confused.
What is happening to them because the breakdown of the 7.5 million, if me production.
What you say?
5.3 million.
53 hours
53 million 625,000 Ghana cedi.
Ghana cedis. And one explanation of the amano. Ndi ye kasa. What's your assembly fee? Sabi assembly fee. Who yes, some of mine. Assembly fee. What you could have done is I pick a phone and call me. Come on, my sister said, assembly be then you cry say. No, no, I would see press statement. No, I catch me. I found I can disregard. I catch us assembly fee. Now this explanation have a mommy. I will Ghana ha. Number one, so when we now, my member and win for no.
Who are same big busana. The work cannot so far no. And son what
for me. Number one, sir explanation on their map for about 53 million Ghana cedis no. Yeah, ye tie nyina nyame nkwana metie eto asoma yemfa. Yeah, ye tie nyina.
Utie di oso de ye.
Oso de den, oso de bie factory. Oso de ye den.
Ya
oso de makoko krani no. Oso de ye den. Oso da you promote me ba. You promote the consumption of cocoa product.
If you don't reduce it, don't make it so simple.
Me ba. I am simple. I'll make it complicated.
No.
Me constituency. I am a producer of cocoa in this country. You can't promote the consumption of cocoa product without gaboso. It shouldn't be possible. But into issues no, me and find one after the other.
Okay.
Into so see where we now.
We okay with the responses now.
Why don't we about discuss because it's just
so what is the next question after quickly your uncle?
Bisa no say syndicated loan na yakoji in dollars. And he knows, and I think that there's no two ways about it. Very good. To see an nim city na ho den at Siakofom. It means that we are getting more cities when we are converting. But me boa na. Inti kokwa kuafo no ombe ya omoden bisa no.
Fee budget you.
Well, I say bisa na okane. When said drawdown was done before December. And Bank of Ghana and a exchange rate. In our drawdown that was done around December. No, we used that exchange rate. It would mean I said, because exchange rate now in March. It should have effect in March. No, the drawdown was done before December.
Hey, Boafo. Hello.
Otiu.
Yes,
Otiu, what man is Otiu?
I mean, it's very, very interesting.
No,
see a cost ye deal my so sa. You know, edu baby, near ma on more from Hona, or more yaduma ding, a dear ball main, no mabamabu.
No.
Sabi Okoji Sikano, and yet Sidi Nakoji, Akoji dollars in their ball main.
You are claiming
even as at December, no crying can.
Okay, until
in March, drawdown that was done in December should have an effect. It doesn't work like that. Well, maybe say now because you just want to make a point or let somebody look bad. When was the drawdown done? What was the rate at the time the drawdown was done?
Time of